How to turn off sound effect in Zooba game. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to turn off the sound effect in Zooba, then you can go ahead and mute the sound in the game. First of all, launch the Zooba game on your device. Once you're inside the lobby page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. After you open up this settings menu, make sure you are inside Visual, and under Visual, see the Sound and Music option at the top. To turn off the sound and music, toggle off the switch right next to Sound and Music and make sure that they are turned into blue color like this. Once you turn it off, you can also turn off the background music and the game music in the game. Make sure to turn them off both to mute the game fully. Once you turn that off, you can now get back to the lobby page and start your game. So that's how you can turn off music and sound effects in Zooba game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.